starting off, we got Bob the Builder dropping a green cube right into the goal. Dragons knocking all the rest off the post for a quick 15 points. Dragons looking to clear that zone. Bob the Builder with another cube. Barely missing that goal. Bob the Builder going to make another attempt. As we get to 35 seconds, you may now switch drivers. Bob the Builder grabbing another cube. Looks like our Dragons are going for a low elevation. Bob the Builder dropping another cube in for that uniform bonus. The Dragons are going to go full park in that zone. Bob the Builder's going for another cube with 10 seconds left in the match. As we get to the end of the match, can Bob the Builder make it to the zone inside the park? 3, 2, 1. Here on the Curiosity Field, we've got our final